Okay, today we're going to be using the distance formula to find the distance between 2 points on a Cartesian plane. So if we want to find the distance between the points -7, 5 and 4, -3, the first thing that we need to do is figure out which is going to be our point 1 and which is going to be our point 2. I'm going to say that this is going to be our point 1 and this is going to be our point 2. That is going to make -7 our x1 and 5 our y1. That is going to make 4 our x2 and -3 is going to be our y2. Now we're going to write down the distance formula. Distance is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1, and that quantity squared. Now all we need to do is fill in the numbers. So our x2 is 4 minus our x1 is -7, and we're going to square that, plus our y2 is -3 minus our y1, which is 5, and we're going to square that. Well, remember what happens when we have two negatives. They're both going to turn into positives, and then we have 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is 11, and we're going to square that. Plus, we have -3 take away 5. -3 take away 5 is -8, and we're going to square those. So 11 squared is 121. -8 squared, -8 times -8 is going to give us 64. We're going to add those two numbers together, and we're going to get the square root of 121 plus 64 is the square root of 185. 185 is not a perfect square, so we're going to use our calculator. And 185, the square root of that is equal to 13.6. And that is how we use the distance formula.